Hello and welcome back to the N-Squared World Domination Society. Today we will be building a Morse code robot using 8 LEDs in the code in the description. Alright, first things first, place 8 LEDs next to each other on a breadboard. I'm using parts from the starter kit linked in the description. Next, connect the LED to the negative power supply via a resistor as shown. Make sure you're connecting the right pin, which is the short one, when you do this. Then, do the same thing with the other 7 LEDs. Next, connect the negative power supply. My board will be plugged into the computer in this video, so I don't need a battery this time. Finally, connect the positive pin on each LED to pins 2 through 9 in numerical order, with the left LED connected to pin 2 and the right to pin 9. On the right of the screen, you can see the Morse code bot displaying a message for those of you who want to decipher it. But for the rest of you, alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider liking and sharing it. Subscribe so you can catch all the amazing robotics, electronics, and 3D printing projects I have planned. Thanks for watching.